Welcome back, ladies. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, it is an exciting video if you ask me. Of course, I'm here telling you it's an exciting video because we're actually doing a giveaway and a mani and all the things. So before I get started on doing the mani that I want to do, I want to tell you what the giveaway is going to be and why. So I'm giving away a 1 ounce collection of Sparkle & Co.'s Spring into Summer collection that was released last year. It is dip powder. If you're new here, my name is Carole Annette and I do videos on dip powder, nail art, gel, polish, all the things. I want to teach you how to have beautiful manicures. Anyways, my channel just reached 3,000 subscribers and I want to celebrate that with you guys by giving one lucky winner this entire collection in 1 ounce. I have my own personal collection here, plus the other 2 colors chilling out here in mini jar sizes. So if you want to win, keep watching the video, stay for the mani. I think you're really going to enjoy what I have planned. I'll have it all listed below for you guys, but I'm super excited of how gorgeous this turned out on the swatch, and I really want to do it on my nails. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna try this technique that I think is really cute on my middle finger for you guys. I think it's like the one with the most surface area. So before I start, I'm just gonna push back my cuticles gently. Just be very gentle about this. You can like really do some damage if you don't. And I'm gonna take my dip powder base and I'm gonna apply a decent layer, not like super thin, but also not super thick, because the thinner it is, the faster your base will dry. I want a nice fully covered layer because I don't want my base to dry super duper fast. So all right, and I have 2 nail art brushes here on the side and I'm just gonna start going in with the colors I want. All right, so I'm gonna take the orange and then sprinkle it here on one side, and then take the pink and sprinkle it here. Grab some yellow, sprinkle that baby in the middle. And don't worry if the colors overlap, it is completely okay. It's going to look fine in the end. Purple in one corner, and then blue in another. That was the first layer of this, and I don't know if it's completely dry or not. It feels kind of dry. Good. I just need to take a different brush, one that's not contaminated right now, and dust off anything that might be remaining. Trust me, it's going to look cute in the end. So I'm going to do a second layer of this base. And apply it to the entire nail. Now that the glitter is on my nail, I have to put like a thicker layer just so it can like evenly saturate the whole nail. And if you want your nail to really pop, like really stand out, you can even do like a dip of white underneath instead of clear like I did to really make it stand out. All right, I'm going in with the orange in the corner, like I did the first time. Pink. And if you don't want to waste your color, like having it sprinkle on the towel like mine is right now, you can totally do this right over the jar if you wanted to. Like I could go right here, bring the jar next to me, and just sprinkle the glitter into place. And then you'll have no wastage, no spillage. And that's what it's starting to look like. And I'm gonna let that dry. And I might have to go in, not really for a third layer, but more like a detailed layer to get in the corners, because since I'm hitting the purple and the blue last, the cuticle area is drying faster. So the cuticle area, you might be able to see right there on the sides, is not getting a full coverage while the tips are. So I'm gonna go dust this off. Okay. I really like how this is turning out. I'm gonna dust this off and just do like a light dabbing near my cuticle area. Okay, let's go in for the purple. Really just drench her in that cuticle area, and then wipe and then go into the blue. I'm using the same brush because they're like practically in the same color family, so I'm not really worried about contaminating my jar with a little bit of purple or a little bit of blue. It's not a big deal to me. That looks really freaking pretty. I really like that. I'm excited to do this on all my nails. So once that's dry, I'm gonna dust it off and I'm going to encapsulate it in clear dip powder. So when I like go to shape and everything, it doesn't ruin it. So I'm gonna go finish my hand with the rest of the colors and everything, and I will be back. Voiceover Carole here. So I'm taking my base bond and I'm applying it very generously to my nail, and then I'm going to dip it in clear, and I do this for every single nail so that when I file, shape, and buff, my beautiful glitter still stays beautiful. I know things look rather dusty over here. I think after you do clear dips, that's just normal. That's what happens. I'm using DP91, by the way. I have the 6-ounce jug of clear dip powder from Sparkle & Co. Whatever, I guess I'll be using this one. I have this big duster brush too from Sparkle & Co, but that's not the one I prefer to use. Oh, found it. This one's fluffy and beautiful and feels so good on your face. Yes, I've put it on my face before, but I much rather use this one than I get from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to dust the excess clear off. And when you activate it, that's when the colors like peep through and show the mani I actually did. Because right now everything, actually that would be a really cute mani. Like if I did solid colors like this, and then did like a layer of like a clear iridescent glitter on top of the solids. That's so smart. Oh my god. If you guys don't have these colors, and you don't want to buy these colors and you don't win the giveaway, that is a super cool idea. I didn't even think about that. Is to do this like whatever watercolor ombre that I just did, but do it with solid colors and get an iridescent clear glitter on top so that yours is glittery like mine. I didn't even think about that. And I'm pretty sure Sparkle & Co. sells an iridescent clear glitter. That is, yes. Okay, I need to activate this. And while I'm activating, I'm actually going to talk to you guys about Sparkle & Co. because it's been a hot minute since I actually did like a full mani using Sparkle & Co. products, and I just love them and I love their products. And next month is my birthday month, and I'm re-signing up for the I Want It All subscription bag just for my birthday month because ya girl wants birthday fears too. It's a beautiful color. Anyways, so if you have never purchased from Sparkle & Co. and you don't have the subscription and you know nothing about Sparkle & Co., check out the description below. I'm going to tell you all the details on how to save money on your first order, your first subscription bag, all the things, or if you really want these colors, how to snag them and all the details. So yeah, I'm seriously so in love. And when I top coat it, it's going to have more shine than it's showing here, because obviously it looks kind of different from the swatch. I didn't top coat the swatch. I didn't even put clear on the swatch. So it looks different because of the lack of shine on it. So I'm gonna file, shape, buff, all the things, and when I'm putting on my top coat, that's when we can sit here and talk about how to win the giveaway. But anyways, so I know everybody's like tired of hearing me talk, so if you want to win the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, And then just leave a comment below. There's like nothing really exaggerated about this giveaway. Leave a comment below on the best way for me to get in contact with you. So I know some people are on Instagram a lot, and that's easier. So if you have Instagram, tell me your Instagram handle. If you prefer email, let me know that. Obviously, don't put any other personal information, things that you want to keep private, like your address or your Facebook name, because some people don't want to be found there. Yeah, so let me know below the best way to get in contact with you, and just like and subscribe, and I will pick a winner to win the giveaway. Okay, I'm seriously like so obsessed. I'm so obsessed, you guys. Like, I can't stop wiggling my fingers. I'm like, oh my god. I actually wondered how this would look matte. I don't think I would ever want to do this matte though. And here is this sparkly beauty. All gorgeous. I'm just so freaking obsessed with this. Like, what? I think the thumb is probably my favorite out of all of them, because it seems like I have more real estate there than the rest. But what I did is I didn't put the same colors in the same areas on each nail. Like, you'll see, like, the purple's hardly on this one. It's here, it is somewhere in there, and the purple's on the bottom here. So each nail looks slightly different. I made sure to do that on purpose, and I'm super excited with how this turned out. This sparkly goodness. Oh my god. Just hello. Can you be my mani forever? I don't really do full glitter manicures, and this is just so much happiness in a manicure. Anyways, so I'm really happy with it. And if you guys liked this video and you want to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel. Come back next week, because I release a new video every single week. Sometimes I do spontaneous, and I'll do 2 videos in a week. Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and if you want to win the giveaway, leave a comment below with the best way to contact you. Anyways, I appreciate you guys so much for hanging out, watching my Sparkle & Co. Unicorn Dream Gorgeousness Mani, just so much. Anyways, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.